Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw ho sa ating lahat. It's around 8:20 a.m. in the morning of March 4, 2025. Just taking coffee right now. Iyo. Big shout out to all my organic followers here in my TikTok channel, in my Facebook page, no? All my Facebook pages, and all my YouTube channels, all my TikTok channel also. Thank you so much to all of you mga kaibigan from here in the Philippines. Good morning. From the people of Italy is buongiorno. No, thank you so much to all of you guys. That we need to have an everything on this earth for us to discover our life. Everything must be done by our good doing and good deeds of this universe. Because we need to understand all the types that we come in and to out our life, mga kaibigan. That's all are temporary. That's all are not permanent in our life. Even though this life is not all permanent on this universe, we are all to be left. We are all not be perfect. So that's why we could not or we cannot judge everything on this earth to be perfect. But we need to guide our life, especially our mind, especially that the mind is the most powerful all among the parts of the body, because this our mind or our brain itself is the driver all the parts, all the types of the organs here inside of our body, including the whole totality of the body of the human being. It should be the only one driver of that is our mind setting or the brain itself, in order to be work and move everything and the way we think. So that's why need to be healthy in the same way to mindset everything, in the same way to think. Please be careful the mind of the certain individuals, and in order to be footing into an emotions, and also emotions can make you damage everything towards the problem. It can cause more problems in life. That's and also, and the most powerful to break down, can create conflict, can create war, can create everything damage, can create big distractions that they don't have bones, is your tongue, is our tongue. Be careful what we are saying here. Be careful of what we are going to say towards everybody. Just think, this part of the body, they don't have consist any bones, but this tongue is the most powerful also, like a brain. But what are you talking to us is the brain is the most powerful driver among all the organs inside and outside of the body. And also this tongue, they do not have consist any bonds, but also can create conflict, big distractions, big cause of any distractions among all, is our tongue. That's why be careful of what we are going to see everything on this universe, no, mga kaibigan. It is, and also the emotions, especially our heart, that can fail of what we are thinking, mga kaibigan. So that's why you be careful Do not be marites everything, especially here in the Philippines. But some of those corrupt politicians in the Philippines, they are a strongly mindset, or there is a strong mindsetting that they do not feel any conscience to the peoples of the money, especially the Filipino people. It comes from the taxes of the government, that the tax was paid by the ordinary taxpayer of this country, especially the universe, to all the corrupt. It is my message to you. It's coming from my tongue. It is the message to all the corrupt politicians. The corrupt politicians in Asia, especially here in the Philippines. The big corrupt people here that belongs to the politics. So that's why, mga kaibigan, here, there is a lot of people need to be run in the politics, that the politics right now here in the country was being to be an business of everything out there, especially those people who are hunger of the power and the money. Especially those people, there is a lot of money in the bank, but they are needed to be run for that politics because of the money, and in order to corrupt the money of the people. So that's why that's kinds of the politicians is corrupt politicians. It is because there are a strong mindsetting, they are strongly in heart, in emotions. So that's why, mga kaibigan, be careful of that. So thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. Good morning, good morning. I am here, I am talking to not a reality, but that's one of the reality. Maraming salamat.